With spring theoretically in the air, our thoughts are turning to things happening and growing outside. Today, we're looking at the must-have tools every gardener should have at their disposal. And to walk us through his top picks is Antonio Valente with his back with us this morning. Welcome, my friend.
Hey, Ben, thank you.
Okay, so these are the essentials that I need if I'm going to start gardening.
Yes, must-have tools that you need this year, Ben.
Okay, well, let's start with the gloves.
Okay, gloves. Every gardener should have 2 pairs of gardening gloves in their repertoire.
Why 2?
Okay, so, well, the first one is more sort of like an everyday pair.
Okay.
Fitted, cloth, and I love these because they've got that really nice sort of grip to them.
Can you try it on?
Yeah, sure, go ahead.
Okay. And this one that looks like I'm fencing. What's this one all
yeah,
about?
and then everybody should also have more of a heavy-duty pair. And I love these leather gloves.
Oh, that's good.
Really nice long cuff, so it protects your arm also. Great for like when you're getting in there and you're sort of trimming the hardcore stuff, trees, bushes, anything thorny like your roses.
What sort of care do these things need?
Pretty low maintenance. I mean, they're leather, so just, hang them to dry before you sort of put them aside so they don't get all, nasty. And then away they go.
All right. Yeah. Okay, so the next thing, I saw on the notes that we have a diary here.
Yes.
What exactly do I need to be journaling here? Dear diary, I love plants.
I love the roses.
I love lamp.
Okay, no. Every good gardener should be keeping a journal. This is where you will record your successes, so you continue them next year. But it's also going to be where you record your failures, so you don't repeat them.
Do you do this?
Yes, I do this.
Yeah?
Yes. I love this one. Like, this is so pretty. I love this journal. Like, look how nice that looks.
Okay.
Sorry.
That's all right.
Okay.
So it's literally, it does most of the work for you. You just have to put in the data.
Yeah, planning, like I said, what worked, what didn't. I love this one. It's a hardcover and a 10-year chronicle, so 10 years worth of gardening knowledge right in here.
So with all your experience, you still get stuff wrong in the garden?
Rarely.
Rarely. So why do you don't need a journal anymore. You should be selling your journals.
I know, no, I'm pretty perfect.
All right, pruners.
Yes, pruners. Okay.
Yeah.
So look for a really good pair of bypass pruners.
Bypass pruners.
Look for something ergonomically designed. Here, I'll open that for you.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, just right there.
All right.
Okay. Look for something ergonomically designed, something that fits comfortably into your wrist. Just because that repetitive action of constantly pruning, that can be really taxing on your wrist. So you want something well-designed. This is Swiss design, so really good quality product. Yeah. Try it out before you buy it.
Okay, another sharp object that everybody needs is a knife. And this, I've never seen a knife like this before.
Yes, okay, so Japanese tools are all the rage right now. And this is at the top of the list. This is a hori-hori knife. It's a cross between a knife and a trowel. Okay. So you can use this for weeding, you can use this for digging a hole, you can use it to plant, to cut through roots. Just a really good all-purpose tool.
So the hori-hori knife?
Hori-hori knife made in Japan.
Okay.
And it's got a really nice steel blade on it, rust-resistant, solid handle.
Great.
Yeah.
Okay, and lastly, these are two things. One, we got a spade here.
A spade. So
okay. I'm going to ask a pretty basic question. What's the difference between a spade and a shovel?
Okay, so a shovel has a rounded head to it. So, and I feel like most people already have a shovel.
So if you have a shovel, do you need a spade?
Yes, then that's going to be your next purchase, is a spade. Okay. So this is really good for cutting through, sod, grass, great for edging. You can also dig a hole with it. The other thing too, look for the longest possible handle that you can find. Yeah. Just because, especially for somebody like you who's so tall. Yeah. Something longer is going to be more comfortable.
So this is the stick the foot on and then,
easier on your back.
Yeah.
And this one here, heirloom quality, you'll have it forever.
This is a high quality spade.
Yeah, that's a really good quality.
I sense that.
You can tell.
All right, so we've ended with the most fun piece here. I want you to tell me what this is.
Okay, so this is a garden hoe. And
you can't say it without laughing.
Every good gardener has a few hoes that they really like to work with.
Okay.
This is sort of my new favorite. This is a Dutch hoe, also sometimes called a stirrup hoe. And what it does is it has this horizontal blade. Ben, you're
no, I'm listening. I'm listening.
And what it does is, as you're using this, it cultivates the soil, as every good garden hoe should. But what it also does is it cuts off your weeds from the root system, so it does a double duty. It's cultivating the soil and it's cutting through your weeds and weeding at the same time.
Can you show? Is this sharp? No,
it's not bad.
Okay, so how do you use that?
Okay, so you're gonna just work it back and forth. And again, look for the longest possible handle that you can. It's gonna be a lot easier on your back. Okay, just you're gonna work your hoe back and forth.
Super profesh, Antonio. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right, you're gonna be back next Tuesday to tackle colder weather plants because we really need that these days. It doesn't look like it's warming up anytime soon. And veg hardy enough to get you in the garden once the ground thaws. We appreciate it all. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Ben.